ChatGPT and similar AI tools offer a wide array of opportunities to turn its AI-powered capabilities into cash. While many methods like content creation and customer support are well known and they have the potential to success, it is very hard to generate good amount of money due to ease of use and high competition because they are very popular and are already in practice by a large number of internet users. However, there are some more unique untapped ways to earn money using ChatGPT that don't often appear on blogs or in YouTube videos. In this video, we'll explore some creative ways to use ChatGPT for making money, complete with real-life examples of how each method can be leveraged. Therefore, stick to the end to pick up the one that suits your skills and interests. 1. AI-powered legal research assistance. One of the most intriguing applications of ChatGPT is in the legal field. Lawyers, law firms, and even students can benefit from AI-powered legal research assistance. You can offer a service where ChatGPT helps with gathering case law, reviewing legal documents, and summarizing complex legal topics. While ChatGPT isn't a replacement for a human lawyer, it can provide a base layer of research, saving law professionals countless hours. For example, imagine a small law firm with limited resources. Instead of spending days going through precedent cases for a client, they hire you to use ChatGPT for gathering relevant legal information. By feeding ChatGPT specific legal queries, you generate summaries of related cases and statutes in minutes. You charge by the project, freeing up their time and boosting your earnings. 2. AI-powered market research and analysis. Businesses are always seeking detailed market research and competitor analysis, but traditional methods can be slow and costly. ChatGPT can generate market insights, trends, and SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, analyses for various industries. By automating part of the research process, you can provide a faster, affordable service for small businesses or startups. Let's say you work with a startup in the fitness industry. They want to know the current market trends in fitness apps. You use ChatGPT to pull reports on consumer preferences, growth statistics, and key competitors. Within a few hours, you deliver a comprehensive analysis, giving the startup valuable insights while charging them a fraction of what traditional market researchers would cost. 3. AI-powered personal finance assistance. How it works. Many people struggle to manage their personal finances effectively. By using ChatGPT, you can offer personalized financial advice tailored to individual goals and situations. Whether it's budgeting, debt management, or even investment ideas, ChatGPT can help users create structured financial plans. Consider a young professional trying to figure out how to save for a home. You offer a ChatGPT-powered service where they input their income, expenses, and savings goals. The AI generates a step-by-step plan for cutting unnecessary costs, increasing savings, and even suggesting low-risk investments. You can sell this as a monthly subscription service or charge for one-time consultations. 4. AI-powered social media management tools. Social media management can be time-consuming for businesses and influencers. You can offer an AI-powered tool that uses ChatGPT to draft posts, create social media calendars, and even suggest engagement strategies. With ChatGPT's ability to analyze tone and context, it can help create posts that resonate with specific audiences. For example, you work with a small e-commerce business that sells handmade jewelry. They struggle to keep their social media fresh. You provide a service where ChatGPT generates weekly Instagram and Facebook posts, hashtags, and captions, helping them stay consistent without the headache of content creation. In exchange, you charge them a monthly fee for continuous social media content. 5. AI-assisted resume and cover letter services. Resumes and cover letters are often daunting for job seekers. ChatGPT can generate tailored resumes and cover letters for specific industries, helping people stand out in their job applications. This service is perfect for those transitioning careers or needing personalized application materials. For example, let's say you offer resume services to a recent college graduate looking to break into marketing. You input their education, internships, and skills into ChatGPT and get a well-structured, attention-grabbing resume. You take it a step further by generating a customized cover letter for each job they apply for, charging per application or offering a package deal for multiple revisions. 6. Custom Relationship Advice Service. Not how it works. Relationships are complicated, and many people seek advice to navigate them better. Using ChatGPT, you can create a personalized relationship advice service where people submit their specific situations, and the AI generates thoughtful advice based on psychology, communication strategies, or even general wisdom. For example, a couple struggling with communication reaches out for advice. You input details of their situation into ChatGPT, which generates tailored suggestions for improving their communication. You could also offer this as a subscription model, where people get regular AI advice sessions. This niche service can attract users looking for low-cost, immediate relationship support. 7. Custom Spiritual or Tarot Readings. How it works. Many people are interested in spirituality, tarot, and astrology. You can offer custom spiritual or tarot readings using ChatGPT to generate insightful interpretations based on user inputs. While AI won't replace a real tarot reader, it offers a fun and unique service for those looking for lighthearted guidance. For example, someone seeks a tarot reading for career advice. They provide you with their name, birth date, and a brief description of their situation. ChatGPT, acting as a virtual tarot reader, generates an interpretation based on classic tarot meanings. You can sell this as one-time readings or offer packages for ongoing spiritual guidance. 8. Custom AI-generated newsletters for niche communities. How it works. Newsletters are still a powerful tool for reaching niche audiences, and ChatGPT can help you create customized content for various interest groups. Whether it's for gaming, sustainability, or a specific hobby, ChatGPT can pull relevant news, insights, and tips tailored to the audience's preferences. Let's say you start a newsletter for a niche community of birdwatchers. Every week, you use ChatGPT to generate the latest news, birdwatching tips, and even suggested birdwatching locations. With minimal effort, you maintain high-quality content, and you monetize the newsletter through subscriptions, advertisements, or affiliate links. 9. AI-powered event planning helper. Event planning can be overwhelming, from picking a theme to finding the right vendors. You can offer an AI-powered service where ChatGPT generates personalized event plans, including theme ideas, entertainment options, and schedules tailored to the client's preferences and budget. For example, a client is planning a small wedding but doesn't know where to start. Using ChatGPT, you offer a complete event plan with a list of vendors, suggested venues, and even a breakdown of the budget. You sell this service as an affordable alternative to hiring a professional event planner, charging a flat fee for each event. 10. AI-based content curation for micro-influencers. How it works. Micro-influencers often need help staying consistent with their content. You can use ChatGPT to offer curated content ideas, engagement strategies, and even post suggestions. This helps influencers maintain a steady flow of content, grow their audience, and ultimately attract sponsors or brand deals. For example, you work with a beauty influencer who struggles to keep up with daily posting. ChatGPT generates daily content ideas, complete with captions and hashtag suggestions. By helping the influencer remain consistent, they build a larger following and begin securing brand partnerships, while you charge them a monthly fee for ongoing content support. The possibilities for making money with ChatGPT are as vast as the tool's capabilities. From legal research to spiritual readings, each method offers a unique opportunity to tap into niche markets. The key to success with ChatGPT lies in creativity, identifying needs that AI can fulfill in ways that are time-saving, cost-effective, and personalized. By leveraging AI in these underexplored areas, you can establish a profitable business while offering unique services that meet real-world needs. If all those methods seem somehow difficult for you to practice or is out of your interest, We have another video that shows much easier methods on how to make money with ChatGPT. Click on the video that will appear on the screen to watch it after subscribing to the channel to not miss similar videos. See you there.